Introducing the Sauté and Soup Maker from Morphy Richards, the easy way to make perfectly delicious soup in under 25 minutes. To sauté onions, bacon lardons, or even croutons, simply press the sauté button and let the jug heat up. Then just add your ingredients and stir evenly, without the need for a frying pan. When ready, put the rest of your ingredients into the family-sized jug, replace the lid, and select one of the program buttons. With soups to suit all tastes, simply select the smooth or chunky setting, and let the soup maker do all the hard work. The LED countdown display shows exactly how long your soup has left to cook. When ready, the Sauté and Soup Maker will beep and the icons will flash. If your soup is too thick or chunky, you can use the blend button to reach your desired consistency. It's simple to add ingredients or seasoning whilst cooking, as the soup maker will restart automatically where you left off. It also features a juice setting, perfect for making nutritious milkshakes or smoothies in just 2 minutes. The easy pour handle makes serving simple, and the non-stick coating makes it effortless to clean. The Sauté and Soup Maker from Morphy Richards. Perfect homemade soup just the way you like it.
Mix and match with this handy Brabantia kitchen set. 2 mixing bowls, a colander and a fruit juicer in fresh colours. Together make up this stylish set. The red mixing bowl has a 3.2 litre capacity and the green bowl holds 1.5 litres. The smart edge on both bowls allows for easy pouring. And the silicone base ensures the bowls can't slip. Ideal for mixing batter or for preparing a salad. The stylish colander is perfect for washing vegetables, straining fruit and draining pasta. The 3 legs have provided a stable stand and the specially designed edge guarantees a solid grip. This handy small fruit juicer is perfect for pressing all kinds of citrus fruits. The juice drips directly into the half-litre measuring cup via the large vertical slots, which indicate the exact amount of juice. The square shape provides a solid grip during pressing and pouring. The entire set is easy to clean and is dishwasher safe. Plus, all the different parts lock together, ensuring space can be saved in the kitchen and allowing for easy storage. The red mixing bowl is 25 by 25 centimetres in width and depth and 14 centimetres in height. The colander is 21.5 by 21.5 centimetres in width and depth and is 13 centimetres in height. The green mixing bowl is 18 by 18 centimetres in width and depth and 12.5 centimetres in height. The measuring cup supplied with the fruit juicer has a compact format of 13 by 13 centimetres in width and depth and 13.5 centimetres in height. Oh yes, you'll be receiving a 5-year Brabantia guarantee too.
This tutorial will guide you through the first use of your new Creatista Pro machine. First, Insert the drip tray and the capsule container in position. For your safety, operate the machine only with drip tray and capsule container in position. Plug the machine into the power outlet and turn the machine on by pressing the power button. Tap to select your language and save. On-screen instructions will now help you set up your machine. Remove the water tank and rinse it using fresh potable water. Fill the water tank up to the max level with fresh potable water and attach it back to the machine in position. It is recommended to set the water hardness to ensure the quality of your coffee time after time. The water hardness setting, along with the amount of use, will define the descaling frequency of your machine in order to prevent damage. To do so, make sure you use the same water source to conduct the test. Dip the test strip in a separate glass of water for 1 second and wait for 1 minute for the results. Once your test result is shown on the strip, save it on your machine. The water hardness is now set. To rinse the machine and prime the heating system for the first use cycle, place the empty milk jug under the coffee spout and press start. Your machine will automatically stop rinsing when the cycle is complete. Remove the milk jug and the drip tray and discard the content. The overall setting process is complete. Thank you for watching. You can now enjoy your new Nespresso Creatista Pro machine. Should you need more information, please visit Nespresso.com or have a look at our other tutorials.
Tired of throwing cash in the trash because of spoiled groceries? Don't let your fruits and vegetables grow old and die in your fridge. Stop wasting money on food that doesn't last. Discover the easy way to keep food fresh up to 3 times longer with Fridge Fresh by Berry Breeze. Fridge Fresh technology uses a solution found organically in nature, pure activated oxygen, to neutralize bacteria, mold, and ethylene gas, which all contribute to food spoilage and cause your fresh produce to ripen and decay. As the activated oxygen circulates, odors are eliminated, leaving your refrigerator smelling fresh and clean. No need to hassle with plastic wraps, produce bags, or bulky food storage containers. Fridge Fresh is like an anti-aging system for your fruits and veggies. This compact device requires no maintenance. Just place it on the top shelf of your fridge and forget about it. You can save up to $2,200 per year on wasted groceries. Why let good food go bad? Save your food and save your money. Fridge Fresh by Berry Breeze, a simple solution that makes a big difference.